Dear viewers, today we are going to determine total starch percent by acid hydrolysis method. This experiment involves reagent preparation, sample preparation, acid hydrolysis, total sugar determination and calculation. To conduct this procedure, we need a balance machine, water bath, hot plate, pH meter, reflux condenser with saponification flask, blender or mixture, measuring cylinder, volumetric flask, conical flask, funnel, pipette with filler, filter paper, distilled water, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide pellets and other reagents and apparatus needed to determine the total sugar by Lane-Eynon method. At first, we are going to prepare 50% sodium hydroxide solution. Dissolve 12.5 grams sodium hydroxide pellets into 15 ml distilled water. Cool and dilute the solution to 25 ml. Now we will prepare our sample. Take some amount of sample into a blender jar. Blend the sample to make it homogenized. Now we are going for the acid hydrolysis of the sample. Take weight of 3 grams homogenized sample. Note the sample weight. Transfer the sample into a saponification flask. Add 200 ml distilled water into the flask. Swirl the flask to mix the content. Add 20 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid into the flask. Swirl the flask to mix the content. Heat the water bath to 100 degrees Celsius. Attach a reflux condenser with the flask. Heat the flask, keeping it in water bath to boil the content. Shake the flask occasionally while heating. The heat is applied until boiled and clear solution is obtained. After 30 minutes of boiling, take the flask out from the water bath. Cool the flask for 30 minutes at room temperature. Now adjust the pH of the sample solution to 7 by adding 50% sodium hydroxide solution. Filter the sample solution and collect it into 250 ml volumetric flask. Add enough distilled water to make the final volume of 250 ml. Now determine the total sugar percent of this sample solution. Determine total sugar by Lane-Eynon method according to the link given in the description section. Let's calculate the starch percent of our tested sample. We have got the total sugar percent of the sample solution is 47.5. By solving the equation given in the left side of the board, we get the total sugar percent of our sample, which is 42.75.